In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable audio in Teamviewer. This can be particularly useful if you're working in a quiet environment or just need to focus without the distraction of any unexpected noises. Let's dive in and break down the process step by step to ensure you achieve this with ease. First, we're going to start by launching the Teamviewer application on both devices involved in the connection. This includes the device you want to control, which we'll refer to as the remote device, and the device you're using to connect, known as the local device. It's crucial to have Teamviewer running on both ends to establish the connection. Once you have Teamviewer open, the next thing you want to do is find the remote support section within the application. This is essentially your gateway to controlling another device remotely. Now, to gain access to the other user's device, you'll need to add their unique ID under the Remote Control section. This ID is specific to each installation of Teamviewer and acts like an address that helps you connect to the right device. After entering the ID, you'll then click on Connect. As soon as you do, you'll be prompted to enter a password. This step ensures that only authorized users can access the remote device. Go ahead and type in the password and confirm, and soon you'll be connected to the other device. With your connection established, look for the menu burger icon, which is usually found within the Teamviewer interface. Clicking on this icon will open a list of options, from which you need to select Communicate. This section contains various settings related to audio and more. Next, you'll want to pay special attention to the Computer Sounds setting. To disable audio, ensure that the Computer Sounds option is switched off. This will prevent any audio from the remote device from being transmitted to your local device. Double-check this setting to ensure you won't accidentally hear any sounds during your session. By following these steps, you can effectively disable audio transmission in Teamviewer, allowing for a more distraction-free remote work or support session. Should you need to enable audio later, you can also revisit this section and toggle the setting back on. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial on disabling audio in Teamviewer. If you found this helpful and would like more tips and tricks for using Teamviewer, be sure to subscribe and check out our other guides. Until next time, take care and happy connecting.